Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Tube Trend, your go-to channel for diving deep into the latest health and nutrition trends. Today, we're putting the spotlight on a tiny but mighty seed that's been making big waves in the wellness world, flaxseed. Join me as we explore 15 science-backed health benefits of flaxseed that might just surprise you. First up, let's talk about your heart. Flaxseed is a potent ally when it comes to cardiovascular health. Why? It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, which studies have linked to lower blood pressure and improved cholesterol levels. And it doesn't stop there. Research suggests that regular flaxseed consumption may even help reduce the risk of heart disease. That's a win-win in my book. Now let's talk gut health. Ever feel bogged down and sluggish? Flaxseed can be your new best friend. It's an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance that can help regulate digestion and promote bowel regularity. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool, preventing constipation. Welcome back, health enthusiasts. We're diving deeper into the amazing benefits of flaxseed, and this time we're focusing on blood pressure. You might be surprised to know that regularly incorporating flaxseed into your diet can actually help lower your blood pressure. Studies have shown that the omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans in flaxseed all play a role in relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. This is a big deal because high blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. So, by adding a sprinkle of flaxseed to your meals, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier heart and circulatory system. Hey everyone, let's talk about inflammation. We all experience it from time to time, whether it's from a tough workout or that occasional overindulgence in our favorite treats. But chronic inflammation is a different story. It's linked to many chronic diseases. And that's where flaxseed comes in. Flaxseed is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory compounds, especially those amazing omega-3 fatty acids and lignans. Studies show that regular consumption of flaxseed can actually reduce the levels of inflammatory markers in our bodies. This means less chronic inflammation and a lower risk of those pesky chronic diseases. So, adding flaxseed to your diet is like giving your body a high five in the fight against inflammation. Now, for those of you striving for a healthier weight, listen up. Flaxseed might just become your new best friend. Its secret weapon? Fiber. Flaxseed is packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer. This means fewer cravings and less snacking between meals. And the best part? It's low in carbohydrates, making it a perfect addition to a balanced diet. Studies have shown that incorporating flaxseed into a weight management plan can lead to modest but significant weight loss. So if you're looking for a natural and effective way to support your weight management goals, flaxseed deserves a spot on your plate. Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and let's talk about getting that healthy glow from the inside out. Beyond its numerous health benefits, flaxseed can do wonders for your skin. Its high omega-3 fatty acid content helps lock in moisture, combating dryness and promoting a youthful complexion. Some studies even suggest that these fatty acids can help reduce inflammation associated with skin conditions like acne and eczema. So, for a natural way to support healthy, glowing skin, consider adding flaxseed to your diet. One of the most exciting areas of flaxseed research is its potential in cancer prevention. Now, I want to be clear, this isn't a magic cure, but studies show promising links between flaxseed consumption and a reduced risk of certain cancers, particularly hormone-related cancers like breast and prostate cancer. The lignans in flaxseed, which have antioxidant properties, are thought to play a key role in this. Remember, early detection and a healthy lifestyle are crucial, but incorporating flaxseed into your diet could be a valuable step in cancer prevention. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial, especially for those with diabetes. The good news is that flaxseed can be a valuable ally in this fight. Its high fiber content helps regulate the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those drastic spikes and crashes. Research suggests that regular flaxseed consumption can improve insulin sensitivity, making your body more efficient at using insulin. If you're looking for a natural way to support healthy blood sugar levels, flaxseed is worth considering. Hey guys, Dr. Mike here, and let's talk about something super important: mental health. We know omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for brain health. And guess what? Flaxseed is packed with them, particularly ALA. Studies suggest that ALA might play a role in alleviating depression and anxiety symptoms. While more research is needed, incorporating flaxseed into your diet could be a simple step towards supporting your mental well-being. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. We're constantly battling free radicals, those pesky molecules that damage our cells. But fear not, flaxseed to the rescue. It's loaded with antioxidants called lignans, which act like little superheroes, neutralizing those harmful free radicals. This antioxidant power is linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. So, adding flaxseed to your diet is like giving your body an extra layer of protection. Let's talk hormones, specifically estrogen. Flaxseed contains lignans, which have been studied for their potential to help balance estrogen levels in the body. This is particularly important for women going through menopause, as flaxseed might help manage those pesky hormonal fluctuations and symptoms like hot flashes. However, more research is needed, so always discuss with your doctor before making significant dietary changes. Guys, listen up. We're talking about prostate health, a topic that becomes super important as we age. Flaxseed contains lignans, which studies show may help protect against prostate enlargement and even prostate cancer. Remember, early detection is key for prostate health, so make sure you're staying up to date with your checkups. Adding flaxseed to your diet is like giving your prostate a high five. It's a simple step towards a healthier you. Ladies, we all know how important hormonal balance is throughout our lives, especially during menopause. Flaxseed is a true ally here. Its lignans can mimic the effects of estrogen in the body, helping to regulate menstrual cycles and ease menopausal symptoms like hot flashes. And the omega-3 fatty acids in flaxseed? They're linked to improved mood and cognitive function, which is a win-win in my book. We've covered a lot of ground, but let's not forget about our immune system. Flaxseed contains alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid that can actually help boost our immune response. This means your body could be better equipped to fight off infections. Think of flaxseed as a little helper for your immune system, giving it that extra edge. So there you have it, guys. Flaxseed is like a nutritional all-star. From heart health and digestion to blood sugar control and even immune support, this tiny seed packs a serious punch. Remember, incorporating flaxseed into your diet is super easy. Sprinkle it on your oatmeal, blend it into smoothies, or add it to your yogurt. The possibilities are endless. If you found this deep dive into the benefits of flaxseed helpful, hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Tube Trend family. We're all about making health information accessible and engaging. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what other health topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Your feedback helps us create content that matters to you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the amazing world of wellness.